guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 11 days I haven't posted any video, so sorry because I was so lazy last week, but today is a very productive day. And before you ask me about my makeup, this look will come on my IGTV, so if you want you can go and follow me on my Instagram. So today's video is actually a very requested video because we took lots of care for our face and hair, but we literally ignore our body and it causes mismatch color from your face and body. So in today's video I am going to show you how to make DIY body scrub with just 3 ingredients. So if you are interested, without further ado, let's get started. So as I said before that you need just 3 ingredients to make your DIY coffee body scrub. So first one is of course coffee. Coffee helps to scrub your body and also helps to remove dead skin from your body. Next ingredients is lemon. As you guys know that lemon has a natural bleaching effect which helps to reduce your tan from your body. And the last product is coconut oil. Coconut oil has a natural hydrating property which helps to hydrate your skin and as well as helps to make your skin glowing and glossy. So we just need these 3 ingredients and these 3 ingredients are very basic. So now I'm going to show you how to make this body scrub. Okay, so now let's start it. So for this, of course, first thing we need coffee powder. So in this today's video I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. So all the ingredients will be for this 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. So if you add more or less coffee powder, please adjust other ingredients quantity also, otherwise it's not gonna form any scrub at all and everything will start dissolving. So the next product is lemon. So for 2 tablespoons of coffee powder I'm going to mix 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice, not more than that and also not less than that. After putting lemon juice, you need to mix the lemon juice with coffee powder, otherwise coffee powder starts dissolving. So as you can see I am mixing, and our last and final product is coconut oil. So if you have olive oil you can add olive oil also. So for 2 tablespoons of coffee powder I am going to take 5 to 6 drops of coconut oil, not more than that and also not less than that, and I am going to mix with the rest of the mixture. And if you feel sticky at this point you can add a little bit of coffee powder to form that scrubby effect, but don't add lemon juice or oil too much, otherwise it will very sticky. So as you can see my coffee body scrub is absolutely done. Now I'm going to move on to application. So before apply you need to wet your body, and you can use this scrub on all over your body, even on your face also. It will help to remove black patches from your knees, elbows and all over from your body, and also help to remove tan and give you a beautiful shiny glow. Use twice in a week. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you need this kind of DIY videos. I will surely do. So yeah, see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy and the most importantly, stay safe.